Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create OMR sheet in a Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open a document. Firstly, create OMR sheet is first option is keyboard press 2 4 D 0 and Walter X, then space, again 2 4 D 1 and Walter X, again 2 4 D 2 and Walter X, 2 4 D 3 and Walter X, 2 4 D 4 and Walter X. That's okay. Then we show the Create OMR sheet in Microsoft Word. This is how make it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.